Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss some more examples using factorization method. So example is, if 3x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0, find x. So first step, 3x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Here x square coefficient is how much here? 3. 3 you have to multiply with how much here? 1. So multiply these two first. First step, multiply 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Next step, split this number 3 such a way that if you add or if you subtract these two number, you have to get plus 4. If you multiply these two number, you have to get what here? Plus 3. Therefore, the numbers are 3 and 1, because 3 plus 1 is equals to how much here? 4. You are getting that middle number, and 3 into 1 is equals to how much here? 3. So next step, replace. Therefore, first 3x square, keep it as it is. Instead of writing 4x, what to do? You have to write plus 3x, because here plus 3 and plus 1 and plus 1 times of x, and last plus 1, keep it as it is equals to 0. Therefore 3x square. Next 4x you have to replace by 3 and 1. So instead of writing 4x, you have to write 3x plus 1x. You know 3x plus 1x is 4x, and plus 1, keep it as it is. Next, in between first two term, you can observe here 3x is there, here also what here? 3x is there. So what I am going to do? I am going to take 3x outside. Once I take 3x outside, so what is the remaining value here? X. What is the remaining value here? X. Plus, if I take this 3x outside, what is the remaining value? Only 1. Similarly, plus, again in between these two. In between these two term, here 1 is also there in the first term. In the second term also 1 is there. Therefore, only I am going to take that 1 outside. If I take that 1 outside, what is the remaining value? X plus 1 is equals to 0. Because if you open the bracket, 3x into x is 3x square. 3x plus 1 is 3x. 1 into x is 1x. 1 into 1 is how much here? 1. So next, see, two terms are there. This is the first term and this is the second term. So you can see in the first term x plus 1 is present. In the second term also x plus 1 is there. So what I am going to do? I am going to take x plus 1 outside. If I take x plus 1 outside, what is the remaining value here? 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So once you get the factors, next step is to find out which value here? X value. So compare. Therefore, x plus 1 is equals to 0. Next, 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to, shift this 1 to right hand side. 0 plus 1 becomes what here? Minus 1. Therefore, x value will be 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Similarly here, 3x, you keep it as it is. Shift this 1 to right hand side. Plus 1 will become what here? Minus 1. Next, 3x, you keep it as it is. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Finally, which value you want here? X value. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 divided by what here? 3. Why divided by 3? Because in between 3 and x here nothing means a multiplication sign is there. Therefore, you need only x value. X is equals to, when you are shifting multiplication becomes what here? Division. Therefore, the value of x is minus 1 divided by 3. Second example. So, in this example, if 5x square minus 8x plus 3 equals to 0, find which value? X value. So first, 5x square minus 8x plus 3 equals to 0. See here, x square coefficient is 5. This 5 you have to multiply with which number? 3. So 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 3 is 15. So next you have to split this number such a way that if you add or if you subtract, you should get minus 8, and if you multiply these two, you should get plus 15. Therefore, the numbers are minus 5 minus 3, because minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. See here, minus 8 is there. Next, minus 5 into minus 3 is equals to minus into minus plus 5 into 3 is 15. So plus 15. But here you cannot take 5 and 3, because you know 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 into 3 is how much here? 15. See here you are getting what? Plus 8. But actually you need which value here? Minus 8 you need. Therefore 5 and 3 plus 5 plus 3 is not possible. So only possible values are minus 5 and minus 3. Now replace. So first 5x square, keep it as it is. Instead of writing minus 8x, first you write minus 5x. Next minus 3x and plus 3, keep it as it is, equals to 0. Next, so in between first two terms, see you can observe here 5x, here also 5x is there. So 5x I am going to take it outside. Once I take 5x outside, what is the remaining value here? Only x minus, if you here 5x is already I have taken outside, remaining value will be what here? 1. Similarly, same x minus 1 here also you need to get. Therefore, in between these two terms, I am going to take a minus 3 common. If I take minus 3 common, remaining value plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Why here minus 1? Because once you open the bracket, you need to get minus 3x plus 3. See, minus into plus is minus, 3 into x is 3x. Minus into minus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3. Now see, you got two terms, first one, second one. Which value is common? X minus 1. So if I take x minus 1 outside, what is the remaining value here? 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Next, now you need x value, therefore compare with 0. X minus 1 equals to 0. Next, 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Shift minus 1 to right hand side. Therefore x is equals to 0 plus 1. Therefore x is equals to plus 1. Here 5x, I am going to keep it as it is. I am going to shift minus 3 to right hand side. So 0 minus 3 becomes what here? Plus 3. Therefore 5x is equals to 0 plus 3 is 3. Again, which value you need here? Only x value. So answer goes to 3 divided by 5. Why divided by 5? Because in between 5 and x, here multiplication sign is there. Whenever you are shifting the multiplication side to right hand side, multiplication sign becomes the division sign. Therefore answer goes to x equals to 3 divided by 5. Therefore first value of x is 1, second value of x is 3 divided by 5.